Well, I'll actually take out here what that plane was, but that's the plane that we just saw yesterday. Apparently that was, as you can see, that was PA-28-180, that was. As you can see, that was the Cherokee 1B, that was. That's one of the same one of the same registration that we saw yesterday, which that was G-ASEJ, that was. As you can see, today it's just flown at 12,000 feet. It's literally just about 12,000 feet today, apparently, so it's just about just flown apparently. If I go to ADXB, there he is, look. So from here it was about 12,000, it was literally just about 11,000 feet to start with, and then it just climbed up a bit as he was about 12,000 feet, but as you can see now he's back down to 11,000 feet, it's now heading towards Minor Churchtown. So yeah, and as you can see, and that is the one that took off at its base to Pamporth Airfield, so that's the plane we saw yesterday apparently, so obviously because it's bank holiday, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye. Right. Obviously now I've taken a new what that plane was. That's the second pass we've also now seen this time. As you can see, we're now back to the Piper PA-28-180. As you can see, that time we're back to the Piper PA-28 Cherokee 1B this time apparently. As you can see, with the same rate G-ASEJ, that is. It's just now decided to come for a second pass as he was flying at the same feet, 12,000 feet. So yeah, this is where we just first saw it apparently. It's just flew in here about 12,000 feet. Let's have a look where it's come from. Okay, so I'm taking it to come from the same base, which it was Perranporth Airfield. So as you can see from here, it's just flying about 12,000 feet. It's just literally took off at the same spot apparently, which is Perranporth Airfield, as you can see. Obviously, it's just because of today though, we haven't really seen just as if though we haven't really seen much aircrafts flying around here today. But obviously, apart from one I've just missed out earlier one, which it was not this one and not that one, which it was, I think, that the third pilot plane I've just heard but I didn't get to see was, if I can show you, was that one here I've just missed out, which that was Cessna 172M Skyhawk, just missed out, which that was GOA, I've just missed out apparently, so I've just missed that one out apparently. You can see here, look, this is where it took off from its base, Bobbing Airfield, as that was taken off at 4:02 PM, and this is where it started coming in as we just first saw it flying over. Obviously I didn't get to see it, but obviously, you know, it flew past over my church town, but obviously that went distance all the way, to be fair. Whereas here, that's just went the distance all the way, so that one I've just missed out apparently, which that was coming from Bodmin Airfield, and that's also the Cornwall Flying Club one as well, but obviously, so yeah, obviously because it's bank holiday, so yeah, lucky we didn't get to see much helicopters around today apparently, which is very strange that we haven't really seen much helicopters today apparently. Obviously the military ones are going to be back on tomorrow apparently. They're one of the Royal Navy aircraft, they'll be back on flying training thing tomorrow apparently, so luckily we get to see them tomorrow hopefully, obviously because that's probably when, because it's bank holiday today, so that's why, because of bank holiday you don't really get to see much pilot planes there lately, and especially helicopters as well, but which is very strange to be fair. But so yeah, I think that's just about, it's only about both second pass we've seen from the PA-28 Cherokee 1B, which that was G-ASEJ, and also the Royal Guard Commander 112/4 G-ASEJ as well today. Which was coming from Newquay Airport. Bit strange to be fair though. Strange seeing them two apparently. So yeah, quite strange to see them two flying on here today. Obviously it's strange to see them two apparently. Okay, so yep, that was the second pass from the PA-28 this time apparently. So yep, thanks for watching. Bye bye.